Hello viewers, welcome to White Lighter, your news partner on business and economy. In this video, you can find this week's news related to business and economy in a simplified manner. Before getting into the video, let me reveal the answer to the question of previous video. And the answer is option D, Anshula Kant. Vodafone Idea revealed its new integrated brand identity, V, using the initials of both Vodafone and Idea. The new brand is accompanied by the tagline Together for Tomorrow. Vodafone Idea MD and CEO Ravinder Thakur said that the company has focused on integrating the two large networks, their people and processes. The company revealed a Happy Surprises program that rewards people with daily prizes for spotting the new logo in the V app, and mobile users can create and download their own customized V tune through V app or myv.in. Zomato is preparing for an initial public offering in the first half of 2021. Founder and Chief Executive Officer of Zomato, Deepinder Goyal, in a mail to his employees said, Zomato's finance and legal teams are working hard to take us to IPO sometime in the first half of next year. The value of our business is going up dramatically, all thanks to the hard work and commitment of our team. Tiffany & Co. sued LVMH, which is led by billionaire Bernard Arnault, after the French luxury goods chain told Tiffany & Co. that it could not complete $16 billion deal to acquire it because of the request by the French government and the impact of the coronavirus outbreak. LVMH said that its board received a letter from French Foreign Ministry asking it to delay acquisition until 6th January 2021. Reliance Industries became the first Indian company to hit $200 billion market capitalization. On Tuesday, California-based Silver Lake picked up a 1.75% stake in Reliance Retail for 7,500 crore rupees. Silver Lake is a private equity firm. The investment by Silver Lake is the second one in Reliance after $1.3 billion investment in Jio Platforms. Jane Fraser, the president of Citigroup, will replace the current chief executive officer, Michael Corbat, in February. She will be the first woman to lead a big Wall Street bank. Jane Fraser has led the bank's response to the coronavirus pandemic in North America. India successfully tested hypersonic technology demonstrator vehicle on Monday. Only United States, Russia and China have developed these missiles. According to the Defense Ministry's statement, the DRDO has successfully demonstrated the hypersonic air-breathing scramjet technology with a flight test of HSTDV from Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Launch Complex at Wheeler Island off the coast of Odisha. The first 5 Rafale jets were formally inducted into Indian Air Force at Ambala Air Force Station on Thursday. Water cannon salute was given to the Rafale fighter aircraft at the airbase. These aircraft shall be part of IAF's Golden Arrow Squadron. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh, his French counterpart Florence Pali, Defense Secretary Ajay Kumar, Chief Defense Staff General Bipin Rawat, and Air Chief Marshal R.K.S. Bhadauria attended the ceremony. And Rajnath Singh said that the induction of Rafale jets into the Indian Air Force is a game changer and is a stern message for those eyeing on our sovereignty. The Enforcement Directorate arrested Deepak Kochhar in a money laundering case registered against him. According to senior ED officials, On September 7, 2009, ICICI Bank sanctioned a loan to the tune of 300 crore rupees to Videocon International Electronics Limited, in which Chanda Kochhar was the chairman of sanctioning committee. And on September 8, 2009, VIEL transferred 64 crore rupees to New Power Renewables Limited, which is owned and managed by Deepak Kochhar. Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade released State Startup Rankings 2019, in which Gujarat and Andaman and Nicobar Islands emerged as best performers for their outstanding performance in simplifying commerce, enhancing productivity, and leveraging technology. Kerala and Karnataka were among the top performers. Union Minister Piyush Goyal said that our startups have come up with brilliant ideas and solutions to the problems. Startups associated with online teaching have made India proud with rapid scale-up of their operations. So friends, our video has come to an end. Before leaving, please answer to this question in the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe to White Ladder. Thank you for watching.